Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change a file extension in Windows 7, 8, and 10. Type folder options in Windows search bar. Click folder options. Click View tab. Uncheck Hide extensions for known file types. Click Apply, OK. This file extension is TXT. Right-click, rename. Change to MP3 or other file types. Click Yes to change. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.